wish I had a clutch on that.
That thing is hysterical in the trails. He's in the air turning. Give my bitch a shred. Third gear is the money gear, but you gotta be on the clutch. He shreds that thing. Woo! Straight up pit bike race, Jeremy. Yeah. Actually very upset to see this thing go. I really had something for this bike. I really loved it. Still do. It's weird, bro. I don't know. Normally I don't give a fuck about selling bikes, but I really like this one for some reason. Sad to see it go. You know what I mean? Got the fresh meats. Yeah, it's good. Really good. I really minted this thing out. A couple unis. Loctited every bolt. Really good, actually. This kid's gonna be real happy Christmas morning. You fucking weirdo. Fucking weirdo. Dirt bike sale. Mint.